Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by turning on NFC in Settings and confirming your phone supports contactless payments. Once done, open Google Pay, sign into your Google account, and add a debit or credit card. You will verify the card with a one-time bank code. Make sure you complete that verification. Then set Google Pay as your default contactless payment app in System Settings so the terminal recognizes it. Do this now so the phone is ready at checkout without extra delays. You proceed at the checkout by waking your phone and unlocking it if your device requires authentication. Once unlocked, hold the phone with the back centered over the terminal's contactless symbol. Keep it steady for about 1 to 2 seconds. You should feel a vibration or hear a sound and see an on-screen confirmation. That means the transaction completed. If the terminal is slow, hold position longer and make sure your case isn't blocking the NFC coil. Then, remove the phone once you finish by confirming the transaction on the terminal and checking Google Pay for the receipt or a bank notification. Once done, you can manage or remove cards inside Google Pay if necessary. If something goes wrong, try one key fix. Toggle NFC off and on, then restart the phone. This often restores the connection. If that fails, clear Google Pay cache, reopen the app, and attempt a small test purchase. Then contact your bank only if problems persist after those steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.